Hello and welcome to the online English classes. Today we are going to start third level by Jack Finney. If we talk about Jack Finney, he is an American author. Most of his writings are based on science and thriller. Dear students, if we talk about the first chapter of Vistas, third level, it is based on science and thriller. We can relate Chronicle Juknasia movie with this story. In this movie, you might have watched how a girl goes in a cupboard. As she goes backside, she enters in a different door. Similarly, same incident happened with our protagonist. In this chapter, the name of the chapter is third level. Our main character name is Charlie. He is 31-year-old in this story. He tells his own story, what happened with him and how did he reach in the third level. There are only two levels of Grand Central and our protagonist Charlie reached in third level. So what happens then? Charlie tells the president people are have all have 100% surety that there are only two levels of Grand Central, but Charlie tells that he has taken the experience of third level also. Charlie tells us that when he told this story, his friend, who is a psychiatrist, whose name is Sam, his friend Sam tells him that it is your working dream wish fulfillment. It means in this way, his friend Sam tells Charlie that in this world there is a fear, struggle, war. You want to escape from fear, struggle, hard work, anxiety, and war. Due to that, you have entered into a new world. When Charlie tells us all these things, he tells with the interactions of the reality. Charlie tells that, yes, you all will feel that I am a mad. Don't worry, I have already discussed with my psychiatrist friend. It is not that I am not well with my brain. Charlie tells that who does not want to escape from anxiety, fear, struggle, and war in this world because this world is not peaceful. Further, Charlie tells about his grandfather that his grandfather used to collect the stamp. It means not that he was trying to escape from worry, war, fear, and struggle. Charlie also tells that during my grandfather time, this world was happier than the present world where he is living now. Dear students, now you will know how Charlie reached in the third level. Dear students, Charlie tells us that one day he was getting late for his home. He thought that I should go with a subway or underpassing way. As he goes through the underpasses or subway, because it was shorter way than bus, he actually reached down the third level. The third level is like a tree that's all branches are exploring different directions. Dear students, Charlie tells that it's not happening with him first time in the Grand Central Station. He goes somewhere but used to reach somewhere. Now, new door, new hall. He doesn't know how he reached in such places. He tells that he has already taken such experiences in. He explains that it was the first time when he reached in the third level. In the beginning, when he was in third level, there was pin silent. As he go ahead, as he goes ahead, he saw the atmosphere was totally different from the present world where he is living. Then he goes, there were some small ticket counters. People have differently dressed, long beard, big mustache. Women were mostly wearing mutton sleeve clothes, high button shoes. When Charlie watched all these differences, he seemed that this is not the present world. It was the past world. It is not 20th century. Charlie was from 20th century. Charlie wanted to know from which century was that third level life. Dear students, after that he goes in front of a shop. He picked up a newspaper. When he reads it, its name was The World. The newspaper name was The World. Date was printed of June 11, 1894. After reading the date of printed newspaper, he assured that he has come in the past. He feels that he has come in 19th century because the world newspaper publishing was stopped many years ago before 20th century. Now Charlie was very happy to see all those things. He tells that when he was in third level, he decides to take two tickets for himself and his wife, and he can live in comfort anywhere in US. This incident tells that Charlie was not a mad because he was also thinking and purchasing a ticket for his wife also. He wants to accompany his wife. As soon as he reached at the ticket counter, he gave the money of 20 centuries, but the clerk asked him not to enjoy with him. Charlie thought that if I wanted to live in this century, I will need the this century currency. This then he thought he should exchange the currency. Cause of that he came back from the third level, and he thought in his mind that he will accompany his wife in third level. He should not like to be in jail in 1894. Cause of that he came back from third level. As Charlie goes from there, he never finds back in the third level. Then Charlie feels very bad that when I was not looking for third level, I reached itself. But now I am looking for, I am unable to find it. When he tells all these things to his wife, Louisa, she also becomes very upset. She says that I don't like that you should reach third level. She was not interested to search the third level. Now Charlie feels get lost and accept it. He thinks now about his friends. Suddenly he remembered about his psychiatrist friend Sam. He has disappeared somewhere. After some time, when he opened a stamp collection, he saw there was a first day cover envelope. What is first day cover? What do you mean by this? Dear students, whenever any new stamp is issued, the people who are fond of collecting the stamp, they keep a stamp under a covered paper. By this way, they know about the stamp issuing date. Dear students, as he was watching all the stamps, he opened the first day cover. He saw that under the envelope, the page was not blank. Something was written in that. Then he started to read it. That first day cover was sent by his friend Sam on Charlie's grandfather's address. Sam knows that Charlie passed a long time with his grandfather. That is why Sam sent that letter on his grandfather's address. Now Charlie becomes very confused because there was written the date 18th July 1894. He watched all these things, he confused and thought that something is tricky there. Then he starts reading the letter. In that letter, Sam wrote that he has reached in third level. It is a very beautiful place. People are singing and I am taking coffee. Sam tells Charlie that you should find the third level. Then Charlie believed that third level was actually exist. He feels that he was right. Finally now Charlie went to bank and finds that Sam also exchanged the currency before going in third level. The letter which he got from Sam, it was also strong evidence to exist the third. Dear students, here has been explained about a place Gallisburg, also which was very beautiful place. People were passing luxury life there. In this way, the chapter's story ends. Thanks for your proper cooperation and attention. Now it's the ending of the story. If you have any doubt and confusion, you can send me in comment box. Thanks. Have a nice day.